In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from one phone to another. So you could transfer your WhatsApp chats from one Android device to the other, or an Android device to an Apple iPhone. Not a problem. The procedure is almost the same. All you would need to do is ensure that both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's it. So the first thing is get hold of your Android phone that you have your WhatsApp chats on. Once you do that, open the WhatsApp account and then click on the three dots or the menu icon, click on settings, get onto this page, then click on chats, scroll down a bit, and then you have an option to the bottom, transfer chats. Click on that option and then click on start. You get a pop-up like this telling you that transfer over Wi-Fi. Click on settings, click on permissions, and then under not allowed for nearby devices, click on allow, and for SMS, click on allow. Get back to the screen, and then your chats are going to be prepared to be transferred. Now on the second device, you need to download WhatsApp. After you download WhatsApp, open it and you register with the same phone number that is on the existing phone. Click on agree and continue, select your country, put in your phone number, click on next. You get an OTP to confirm. Click on yes, and then you get a code to put in out here. Enter the code, log in, and then you're going to get an option to transfer chat history from your old phone. Click on continue on the new phone, click on continue out here, click on allow, and then you get a QR code. Just scan this QR code with your old phone and stay on this screen. You get an invitation like this on your new phone. Click on connect. So this is all happening on the Wi-Fi networks. So that is the reason why you need to ensure that both the phones are on the same Wi-Fi network. So just wait for a while and your chats are automatically going to be transferred to your new phone. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.